Hello, my name is Atsushi Shimamoto. I'm the president of Over Toastmasters. Now the time I call the Over Toastmasters special meeting, Easy Speak workshop to order. I'd like to introduce the facilitator of the workshop, Toastmaster Masayo Arai. She is our Vice President of Education. And she is District 76 Pathways Guide and Pathways Matrix Project member. And she is the third time of the VP of our club and 3 clubs for 5 times installed EasySpeak, 4 times from scratch. She is a specialist of EasySpeak. So please give her a big hand. Toastmaster Sayo.
If you're a beginner or if you have many questions, please provide your questions and have fun in this workshop. Thank you very much. So may I have a quick survey here about how many people know about EasySpeak? Raise your hand if you know what EasySpeak is. Okay. How many of you are already using or starting to use EasySpeak? Raise your hand. お願いします。大丈夫か? Okay, maybe about half. Okay. And how many of you are VPE or VPE support or VPE helper? Raise your hand. And Yada-san. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. This one. Okay. So maybe this introduction can answer some of the basic questions. So this is an EasySpeak home. Before logging in to the system. This can be maybe shortened like this. If you type like this, or if you Google EasySpeak, then you can find this short link. And then on this page, it says the EasySpeak. Everyone can watch this screen? The EasySpeak software allows Toastmasters clubs to automate their meeting, planning, and track and support members' development. It provides a full data management system, automating the agenda and freeing the VPE's time to do what important, support and encourage the members. It's a little conceptual, but that's okay. And who are using EasySpeak? It says clubs from other districts may use the software without charge through this site. And this other district means other than the UK, other than the mainland Europe. So this means every clubs around the world can use this system on the web without charge. Okay. And it's mainly the system to help the VPE's job, but also all other officers like VPM, PR, and treasurer, and surgeon arms. The system will lighten your tedious work. And how many clubs are using EasySpeak? I counted these are the club names currently as of today using Easy Speak around the world. And I counted the line, and it's about 1.5 thousand clubs around the world. Okay, it's a huge thing. And this is a meeting calendar, but maybe it's too busy, so maybe you can't read it. But for example, on today, this is actually the calendar. It doesn't look like calendar. On the March 31st, there are these many clubs are holding their club meetings, and Oval Toastmasters is this one. Okay, and from the just a second. Okay, after I can't find the all online meeting link, but from the all online meeting, after I log in this system, maybe you can see all online meetings link, and it shows at this point from 1945 today, this club is having meeting, and from 9:30, this club is having meeting. You can click on the club name and go directly to the club website, club agenda page. So by having the Easy Speak username, you are a one member of this 1.5 thousand clubs community, and you can visit any club you like. Okay, and for the VPE's work, VPE is prepares. This is Oval Toastmasters Easy Speak site. VPE will make a meeting page for several months, and today's meeting is this one. And for example, the April the 21st meeting site, this one is just a second. This one. Maybe this one is already, speakers are filled already. So let me make May the 5th meeting. From the members' point of view, as a member of this club, a member can report, I'm attending, or I'm absent from this meeting, or I'm not sure if I can come, or something like that. And if you can attend this meeting, you can choose your role you want. So let me take a timer for today's meeting. And from the VPE's point of view, this is a VPE's screen. VPE can assign speakers like this one. So Kobori-san is assigned as this project, sample speech, no project speech. And let me assign myself as a second speaker. And my speech request was based on the introduction to Toastmasters mentoring project. And the VPE can let the assigned members to send an email, and I and Kobori-san will receive the email. The email tells that VPE assigned you as a speaker or as a speaker, so please accept or decline, something like that. And from the VPM's point of view, you can manage the guest. Oval Toastmasters only have 10 members, so all others guests visited us so far. and we can send the invitation email to the guest, like to which category types of users to send email, and officers can choose to visitors, to special guests, but we have too many guests and visitors, so I don't send it for the test today. Okay, and the most significant usage or benefit of the Easy Speak is that the charts. So VPE requires to watch the Pathways project progress for of all club members, and on this Pathways chart, VPE can see the, for example, Atsushi is completed level 1, 2, 3, 4 of the presentation mastery, and he's working on the level 2 and 3, something like that. Other charts, mini charts, for example, meeting role chart is to take a look at on which meeting the members, this is a past direction. So these yellow date past meeting, on this meeting, this one was a club contest, so no regular roles are assigned. January the 20th meeting, we had 3 speakers and 3 evaluators and 1 archanta or something like that. You can going back to the -40 time meeting. This is maybe, I'm not sure, 3, 4 years ago, up to several years ago. You can take a look, and many other charts you got. Okay, maybe it's a little too long to for the introduction, but so Easy Speak is automate very many stuff, especially for VPE, and also the VPM and the secretary's recording meeting tasks can be done very easily. And Sergeant at Arms, to announce the meeting venue, it's also registered in each Easy Speak meeting page. So it's very clear to and very secure, very what do you call it? No mistakes for the members for about the meeting venue. Okay. Okay. After the panel discussion session, we will have Q&A and more demonstration. So let's have our 2 panelists here and have some discussion on how the Easy Speak is beneficial for us, and in what cases the Easy Speak is difficult to be continued in some of the clubs. Okay. Kobori-san is one of my friends, and then Saki-san is one of Kobori-san's friends. Welcome. Welcome today. And probably it's better for you to introduce by yourself. Kobori-san first. Please.
Okay, thank you very much, Masayo-san. Masayo-san is my close friend. But firstly, I asked the Masayo-san to create how to launch the Easy Speak program. Then she told me I must be a panelist, otherwise she cannot tell us how to do it. That's why I'm here now. My name is Nori Kobori, the member of the One World Toastmasters Club and Basamichi Toastmasters Club and Yokohama Nihao Toastmasters Club, which is a Chinese club. So I left Japan 1.5 years ago. At that time, I quitted the all of Toastmasters activity in Japan. I live in Singapore now, but thanks to or due to COVID-19 case, I can easily to attend the club in Japan remotely by Zoom. Then I came back to the member of these three clubs. So now I'm launching the Easy Speak for the Basamichi Toastmasters Club now. So I think this is the best opportunity to tell you how difficult, how easy, or how headache or something like that. So I'm really looking forward to the today's workshop. Thank you. Pass to the Saki-san.
Thank you so much. This is Saki Ito from Morino Miyako Toastmasters Club and One World Toastmasters Club and Yokohama Nihao Toastmasters Club. Yes. I worked as VP at Morino Miyako a few days ago. Well, the meeting is held every Saturday. Easy Speak has a lot of benefits on Morino Miyako's club business and made its management more efficient. So tonight, I want to talk about some small tips useful for you of Easy Speak that you make your business, especially BPS, more easier. Thank you. Back to you.
Thank you, Kobori-san and Saki-san. So you two are setting up different clubs and the Easy Speak for them, right?
Right.
Kobori-san is setting up for
I've been a Toastmaster for 11 years. So originally, my hometown is Tsukuba now. So I started as a Toastmasters members in Tsukuba Toastmasters Club. Since 2015, over 5 years ago, the Tsukuba Toastmasters Club have used the Easy Speak. So I know how useful as far the Easy Speak tools. So frankly speaking, how much is who has advantage of the Easy Speak? I think two things, two guys. One is the VPE and one is the T-Mod, Toastmaster of the Day. So that's very easy to organize the meeting agenda. That's for the VPE. That's a good advantage for that. And the T-Mod, that's very easy to print out the meeting agenda. So later on, probably, Masayo-san will show you, but that's just one click. So I think two of them has, most, take advantage of the, as far as using the Easy Speak, I guess. So.
Yeah, I agree. Yes. Saki-san, are you setting up for which club?
Actually, I am who said to speak for my club, one of my club. However, two people in Morino Miyako Toastmasters Club prepared Easy Speak for other members, and next year I succeeded it and managed it. So from my experience, in Morino Miyako Toastmasters Club, Easy Speak was introduced in 2017, I think. So in next year, as 2018, I used Easy Speak as VPE, and so I mentioned Morino Miyako Toastmasters Club has meeting every week, and so we made the agenda by using such as Microsoft Word by ourselves and made agenda and asking who can take accountant or who can take grammarian today and this week and revise agenda again and again. So it is good. I think it is good. However, we can make it more efficient by easy speak. So as Kobori-san said, T-mode and VPE is most efficient, especially is beneficial from easy speak. And I have the same idea from my experience.
T-mod. Interesting. I'm curious. Is every club calling the Toastmaster of the day T-mod?
Oh,
T,
maybe different.
yeah, some clubs call them TOD, or our evening clubs calling them TMOE, and morning club TMOM.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Maybe
Thank you for it.
from press to press.
Right. But okay, let's call them T-mod. It's very short. I like it.
Please.
Right.
But I think
Right.
that's the Yokohama area's dialect, T-mode.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I think
Oh,
so.
Yokohama's
Never-
dialect.
Yeah, never said that in Tsukuba, the TOD, but
Oh.
in Yokohama, the T-mode. Right? Yada-san or Sakai-san.
Yoda-san, what about you?
Yada-san is sleeping, maybe.
But anyway, so if the meeting roles, one of the example, Easy Speak is very flexible, very, very customizable. So if you want to call them T-mod, if you want to call them Toastmaster, if you want to call them Toastmaster of the morning, everything can be done. You can customize it to any name you like. So it's very flexible, right? And I'm also helping the Hiroshima Phoenix Toastmasters Club to set up the Easy Speak. Hiroshima Phoenix chartered on last October, and their monthly meeting is October, November, December, 1, 2, 3, 6 times now. And so I think it's a good timing to set up the meeting. And their meeting is very have some variations. Sometimes one speaker have 2 evaluators. Sometimes a special session has speeches. Sometimes special session have a workshop or something like that. And so that's why I like it, because they're not using the same template every time, but every time the template has to be modified. But Easy Speak is capable and much easier using the Excel format. Much easier to call for volunteers or call for the check the denske for their attendance, but everything is included in one system. So maybe it will be successful to be installed maybe next month or some more, maybe April or May. But we're not in hurry, just slowly implementing. Okay. So is there any other benefits, do you think, Kobori-san, Misaki-san?
Yeah, as Masayo-san mentioned, the speech history, we can take a look. So for the, as for the CL manual before, so the very hard to, remember to, what I took a role, T-mode, a counter or grammar or something like that. When I was a VPE in Tsukuba, that's very easy to trace, such a, the history of the each members. That's a big advantage for that. Yeah, that's one of the example. Saki-san, how about you?
Okay. as the new function of EasySpeak, you can track and you can know if you are attending the meeting physically or you're attending meeting virtually. And before launching this function, we asked, how can you attend the meeting by what? Tell me. And if you have to ask our members if you want to have hybrid meeting, but you can track if you will attend the meeting from virtually or physically. I think it is one of another big benefit of EasySpeak, I think.
Okay, thank you very much. I think maybe it's better we move on to question session, because by answering the questions and showing the demo might be more beneficial, more interesting, right? So let me pass control to Atsushi-san. Thank you very much for two panelists, Kobori-san and Saki-san.
Okay, I'd like to introduce today's Master of Ceremony, Toastmaster Jun Namikawa. He's the Toastmaster of the day. Please give him a big hand. Jun-san.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Good to see you. It's how it goes. What is the impression about the discussion with the panelists so far? I think you have many the questions about the EasySpeak. The name is EasySpeak, but sometimes it's not easy to use. So let's study more about the EasySpeak, and then try to be a specialist of EasySpeak, and then you can teach how to use the EasySpeak to members of your clubs. So let's start the questionnaire sessions, Masayo-san.
Okay, then let me share my screen of question list. Just a second. So we have received many questions, and these are the questions we received, and I think some of them are already answered. What is EasySpeak? And I showed this page. So this page, right? And who can use EasySpeak? Everyone. Let me add that if you are not the Toastmasters Club members, or if your club is not EasySpeak, you can use EasySpeak as a single user who are not belong to anything, or a single user who are still thinking to join the club from now on. You can use it. And how much does it cost? It's free. And can we make any help? This is not answered. You can donate the EasySpeak anytime you want. Your club. I think it's a club or individual. I'm not sure. The overall Toastmasters Club just donate $50, so we don't have this please pay button. But for example, if what about Hiroshima Phoenix? Hiroshima Phoenix Club doesn't have the please pay button either. So what about the Musashiura Club? This one is support EasySpeak button, right? This is I'm logging in to EasySpeak as a member of Musashiura Toastmasters Club now. My one ID, one username can log in to all the clubs and all the clubs I'm a member, or all the clubs I'm a special guest. So if you find the support Easy Speak button here, then it says the explanation, because they are very lack of human power or lack of money, and you can donate. Just click on this button to pay by PayPal.
Masayo-san, this is very important thing. So let me add something.
Please.
Yeah, so the donate, this is Easy Speak at just all volunteer base. That's not connected with the Toastmasters International. As you know, Basecamp is a very poor function. Easy Speak is much more powerful, also useful. But UK, the members in UK volunteer base to support the Easy Speak. So the few years ago, the team in Japan, I mean Tsukuba, we tried to make the Japanese version of the Easy Speak. At that time, I asked Easy Speak team, no club, no one donated from District 76. That's why it was very hard to get the support from Easy Speak team. So take a look at for example, District 67 Taiwan. The Taiwan club donated a lot. That's why the traditional Chinese function is available even 3 or 4 years ago. So I strongly recommend all of you or your club to donate. $50 per year is good enough. So I think they need our support. So please be sure, don't forget about that. I think that's worth more than 50.
Right. Yeah, I'm a Pathways guide, so I'm always instructing how to use the Pathways Basecamp or as a Basecamp manager. But the Basecamp manager screen in Basecamp is always very, very slow on loading the members' data. And also the Basecamp is only the members who've been logged in as a home club of a specific club with the same club as a VPE can be seen, So if you are dual or triple club members, you are not be observed by all the VPEs, but only once at a time. But Easy Speak is not. Easy Speak, I belong to 3 clubs, and Oval's VPE can see my data. Musashi Urawa's VPE can see my data, and Hiroshima Phoenix Club's VPE can see my data. One Easy Speak user account, one user data can be seen by all the VPEs of the member belongs to. And Easy Speak is very quick. Like I show the Pathways chart. This is just 2 seconds to show this progress chart. And to click on, what about my data? I'm working on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paths, and it's this shows 1, 2, 3, okay, 5 seconds to show this, and the Easy Speaks records the actual results from the agenda. Okay, agenda is has many people who are watching. No cheat is possible. So when I show on this one. This is oval, and make this speech on this date, 2019 March the 6th. Everyone at that meeting were watching, right? And then it records the speech title and the evaluator name, right? And that the Basecamp cannot do. So this is the result of the actual thing that happened there. Okay. Right. May I go on to the next question?
Yeah.
Who are using Easy Speak? It's done. About 1,490 clubs are using Easy Speak. What Easy Speak provides us? This was discussed in the panel discussion, and actually there's a lot more, but maybe we can continue talking about this.
Members, I mean, here from Bashamich Club members join this workshop, so I'd like to show the example. While I watched the baseball game last weekend, then I made the Easy Speak program. So let me share 3 hours. My report. Please raise the hand, your Basamich members. Okay, please take a look at this. I made the program about 3 hours. So almost all members here, and also Basamich is the advanced club, so that's why you little bit different. For example, presentation session or these other things, and 2.5 hours long. Okay, probably you can make this less than a day. So then, for example, Toastmaster of the day, like this, put like this and save. Then, for example, Kenji Miyagawa-san, if accept, he put yes. I'm not Kenji Miyagawa-san, so I cannot do it. Then, all BPE put the all name, put here for assignment. Then finally, T-mode, Toastmaster day is just click this button. Automatically, you can see the agenda. Very beautiful.
So, Kobayashi-san, is this club T-mod is assigning or VPE is assigning members?
In advance, VPE assigned first.
I see.
Then pass control to the T-mode 2 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
After that, T-mode will try to complete the agenda.
Yeah, that kind of a flow to prepare a meeting is different depending on the club. And Easy Speak is capable. Who can assign roles?
Right. Very flexible. And also, as you can see, the member come to the venue. This is a hybrid meeting, so come to the venue here, and also people who attend the online is here. So that's very flexible. Yeah, some questions? Saki-san also producing the One Word Toastmasters Club Easy Speak program, right?
Yeah, I'm working on now. And I suppose almost everything is there as well. Do you want to see the agenda?
Yes.
Ah, thank you all. I will prepare it. May I see my screen? May I share my screen with you?
Sure. Go ahead.
Thank you. Yeah. This is the permanent agenda for World Toastmasters temporary agenda on Easy Speak, and you can see some roles on the agenda, and when you want to print the agenda will be like this. It depends on each club. If you will write greeting time before the meeting, or however, and World Toastmasters Club contains some text on the agenda for explanation, such as no role explanation, except the word of the day or something, or some role explanations are written on Easy Speak. So we like to ask more word officers and members if you like this version of agenda, but this is the current version. Thank you.
Yeah, that's the Saki-san very important things here. That if you put the manual and that's the objective automatically show on the program, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's very useful. Yeah.
Yes, and it's also flexible to show the project name, to show or not the project or the speech purposes or not. That's you can modifiable. You can choose to show or not to show. I'm using always to show everything. The emails is as well. When you when a VPE sends emails through the Easy Speak to the person who have role, the email within the email, for example, to the email to ask for an evaluator to accept the evaluator roles, to include the who is the speaker, which project is the speaker use, what the title of the speech or something like that. Everything is included, can be included in the inquiry email to the role taker or role who assigned the role. So everything. So it's let me compare with the Zoom setting. Well, if you have the Zoom account, the Zoom setting screen has a lots of settings, right? And maybe Easy Speak has more very detailed customization settings. So that's what Easy Speak is good, and also that's why the Easy Speak is a little too complex to set up. So if you are the first time to install Easy Speak in your club, it takes a little time. But when you are the second or third time, maybe it's easier. And I think the One World and the Basamichi and Hiroshima Phoenix, these three clubs have expert on Easy Speak. So very comfortably, you will just follow the supporter to lead your club. Congratulations.
Yeah, Masayo-san, another important question from somebody, cannot continue to use the
Mhm.
Easy Speak.
Oh, right.
I've never heard of it, but you have some experience or heard of it?
Okay, that's what one of another theme in my panel discussion, and I forgot forgot about it. The Easy Speak is very convenient. It after it once properly installed, but to continue using Easy Speak is depending on the decision or preference of the next term BPE. The club I already quit. The club name is so-called A. A club stopped using Easy Speak just after I quit the club. Nobody can continue it. Some members liked it. Some members wanted to continue, but the VPE of Club A didn't like it. I'm not sure why, but the VPE has a very strong privilege to make a decision continuing Easy Speak or not. So that was the key point. And I'm encouraging all the VPE people here or around the world to understand what's beneficial and what's difficult and what's easy. And probably very important thing is to know the person who can support when you have trouble, to meet any trouble continuing it. Right. Thank you very much, Kobori-san, for notifying that very important point. Okay, so Jun-san, what can we do next?
I think maybe somebody want to speak out to ask something directly, not through the comment feed. So I'm wondering if anyone want to ask something about the Easy Speak right now. We have the three specialists here, so please do not hesitate to speak out right now.
Okay, can I ask questions?
Yes, please. Please tell us your name and then your club, and then start your question. Thank you.
My name is Toru Mariyama from Nakano Toastmasters Club. I have begun to use Easy Speaks very lately. So let me ask you one specific or several, 2 or 3 specific questions. I'm wondering, how can a member have communication among them by using Easy Speak? For example, if you cannot accept the assignment, or in some conditions, how can relay my message to the BPE? And that is first question. The second question is, what do you mean by customize Easy Speak? There are many different ways of making agenda, and the contents and the order of the agenda is different from club to club. So I'm wondering if I can make the agenda according to the wishes of some particular clubs. I mean, how can you customize the order and contents of the agenda? That is 2 particular questions. That's all.
Thank you, Maruyama-san. Specialist, who's gonna answer his questions? Maybe start Masayo-san.
Oh, what about okay, let me share my screen for the next just a second. Next meeting on April the 1st. I would like everyone to participate this meeting because this is especially created for this demonstration purpose. So okay, let me. As a VPE has privilege to assign roles to members, and this is a VPE's screen mode. I can switch to the member view and the VPE's view. This is a member view. Member can only operate this attendance confirmation and taking roles other than speeches. And this accept is I will be there at the physical place. And this will be I will be in my house and attending online. So these are two to accept or take specific roles button. And if I, as a VPE, assign, for example, Georgia as a speaker and Atsushi as an evaluator. Atsushi as an evaluator. And then EasySpeak has the email to notify the role taker of a role. And EasySpeak has 6 types of email here. This can be done by VPE or TM or TMOD or meeting manager. There are 3 types of who can control the meeting, who can assign, who can send a role assign inquiry email. And in my case, the VPE will send the email. Georgia and Atsushi-san, can you please get ready to share your screen? Okay. Are you ready, Georgia? And I sent the email named third email. Third email is to notify the member about the role that the TMOD or VPE assigned. And this sent to Atsushi. This is a result of the email sent screen. And it's sent to Atsushi and Georgia. Okay?
Okay, may I share my screen?
Sure.
This is my received email.
Okay, can you enlarge a little bit? Enlarge maybe 1.5. Okay, good, thank you. Yeah. Okay, stop it. Okay, stop it, okay. So on this email, dear Atsushi, I have provisionally assigned you an evaluator. If you take this role, please accept this one.
Okay.
Something. Yes. Can you click on the accept button?
Okay.
And it said, thank you very much, Atsushi, to accept the evaluator.
And this one, reload. Accepted.
Yeah. Can you enhance the screen a little bit? Right. So this green check is this role taker accepted. First email is like this. this template is already prepared, so you don't have to type anything. But you can also edit this pre-prepared email text, but you can add more text here. Okay. For example, if you if some of the members can't understand the English, you can type something or any other additional information and click it on. And then let me click on to the members of the Oval Toastmasters. So we only have 9 members. 9 members received the confirmation of the attendance email, right? And all us no, is that does it answering you, Mariama-san, for your first question?
Yes, thank you very much. So please
Okay, the second
move
one.
on to the second question.
Yeah, second question. Customizing easy speak. Maybe Kobori-san, can you make it?
Okay. Let me check. Okay. You know, speech role is different by club. For example, the name of, have you heard about the Graco role? Grammarian and accounter, that's the jargon in
yes, Graco.
Yeah, of course, that's the default in the Easy Speak. That's no Graco role, something like that. Also, the word of the day, no word of the day in default. So that I made, this role by myself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so this agenda button, you can customize as you like. That's very hard to explain that everything. It takes a long time, so just show you. But in this page, VPE or any members can access here and to change the name from not account as a Graco, or I add the word of the day here or something like that. That's very, very flexible that you can make. And also the time management as well. The duration you can change.
Oh.
For example, table topic is there, I think the best example, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So for example, this one, now 10 minutes, but change to the 15 minutes update, then that can be changed. So that the total duration is also changed. And back to the Bashamis Toastmaster homepage and print agenda. Then table topic session is 15 minutes. 15 table topic and also timers report and the vote best table topic speakers voting. So that's the very, very flexible, useful, practical.
Yes, I can understand. Thank you very much. But can you change the order of the session? For example,
of course,
in this way. All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yes. In addition to the customized meeting roles or role names, the officers addition, for example, not only the 7 fixed officers, but most of the clubs have the, for example, Zoom master or a webmaster or party master or many fixed role in the term. That EasySpeak can add those officer roles, and they can be called for the ECM too. And of course, EasySpeak has an ECM invitation function too. And format, layout of the agenda is also changeable. Let me share the meeting agenda screen here. Just a second. These are some of the screen dumps I collected from Musashi Urawa Toastmasters Club. This is about the standard thing, and this one is a more spacious agenda role. And this is a little too busy, but usable. So some of the agenda format is also choosable by the VPE. Maybe it's more, maybe astonishing thing is that you can see the very detailed setting screen. And it sets almost everything about the agenda and the role assignment and the club movements. So what will be shown around the top of the agenda? What will be around the top, around bottom of the agenda? One line information for the next meeting, or 3-4 lines, or logo on the agenda on the left-hand side, or what is the time format? Like, where is it? Oh, yeah, here. 1st April 2021 or 2021/4/1, or those kind of very detailed things can be customizable. Okay, thank you, Maruyama-san, for your very important point of your question.
Thank you very much for your detailed information, explanation.
Mhm.
I understand.
Okay,
Can I have a question, please?
sure.
Yes. I'm Denko from West Tokyo Toastmaster Club, and our club does not support Easy Speaker now. So if we'd like to install Easy Speak functions from scratch, what kind of activity do we need, and what kind of skill we need? And we have about 20 members. So I suppose there are a lot of data to be set, such as the officer's name, email address, what credit they have, or something like that. So how much time to set such a data for 20 members? This is my question. Thank you.
Komori-san.
Saki-san? Yeah, I can answer about Saki-san.
Actually, I have never tried, but you could import some information from CSV. Like,
CSV.
yes.
What is a
some,
CSV?
what to say? It's a kind of the type of files available in Microsoft Excel, and you can insert the member's name and
Yeah.
member's name and
Yes.
email address and the product they belong to, and you
CSV. You are talking about importing some data
yeah.
CSV format.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
True. It isn't me.
Okay.
You can. It is available from control panel.
Yeah. Okay. At first, how to set the Easy Speaker's environment on the cloud browser or software. I don't know, but exactly. But how can we install at first? Then after that, we install some data from CSV file or something like that. So from scratch, there is nothing about this Easy Speak. There's nothing to import from file. So at first phase, how shall we do that?
Then on this
Mhm.
page,
Yes.
register a new club on Easy Speak. So
Uh-huh.
enter your club number
Mhm.
here and click on Add Club button. And probably one day later, you will be informed that your club site is here from the into Easy Speak. I think we cannot cover all the questions today, but this will be a very good material for you to learn and get to know more about Easy Speak. Some of them are very important. I think this is done. And how can add a meeting raw? The demonstration cannot be done, but we told you that this is possible to add a meeting raw, a customized special meeting raw is possible to be added, and the officer can be added. And this I'm planning to make this in the party. How can I upload the past speeches? I received the Matsumoto-san status, so I would like to show how to upload it. And yeah, this one we didn't have time, so maybe this can be done by the party session. Okay, so back to you, Jun-san.
Thank you, Masayo-san. Please share this the questionnaires later in the chat or something. Time flies, doesn't it? It's already been 10 minutes over the expected time. So it's about time to close this special events. I'd like to back the control to our president, Atsushi-san. Thank you very much for joining us.